You are at historic marker number 15, located at 2010 Staples Street between 2nd and 3rd Streets. In the early 20th century, there were hundreds of cigar manufacturers in Key West. By 1909, a number of the large cigar factories, including the Martinez factory, were destroyed by the devastating winds of an unusually strong hurricane. The building you are looking at was Don Luis Martinez's answer to the disaster. It was designed to be hurricane, fire, and drought-proof. The structure used all of the best technology of the day. Factory walls were constructed of solid concrete blocks. The distinctive-looking blocks were called Indian blocks due to their rusticated exterior surfaces. At the time, they were considered to be one of the best materials used to fireproof a structure. The factory was built on an elevated ridge that cut across the salt ponds in what is now referred to as Newtown. Notice the round-shaped office to the rear of the building. The structure was built as a freshwater cistern used to collect rainwater from the flat roof of the factory. Don Luis Martinez began cigar rolling at the age of 12 in Cuba. His world-famous cigar brand, La Flor de Luis Martinez, is still in production today.